don't know if anybody had when they were a kid the little thing that you held in your hand and you spun it around in a circle, a flat little board, and it had the chickens on the top, and when you spun it, the string that's underneath triggered the hens on top, the little wooden hens, to peck at the board. That's what this is like. Can you hear that? Oh my goodness. Look at that big fat fatty. And that big fat fatty. Big fat fatty. And there's Peggy. What? Peggy always says, what? Oh, Smitty. This is just... God bless you, you sneezed. I heard it. I'm being mean by feeding him this way. This isn't very nice. But it's entertaining me. Look at that joker. What? Okay, here. This is my very big... Whoa, sorry, chicken. This is my very big foot. And the turkey is every bit of 2 of my feet. Walt calls him Brutus, for lack of a better term. Poor Peggy! Poor thing. I gotta switch hands. And I don't want to put a poopy glove on my phone. Ugh, sorry about all the crazy movements. There, I'll just go no gloves, because I'm not going to touch poop. If I can help it. Take poop. Look at you guys coming over. Look at you, Farrah. Farrah came over here to eat with her girls. And there's Mrs. Elvis. Sorry. But Farrah, honey. I don't know if you're going to be able to get in there, girl. There, she'll get a little bit. Oh, Peggy! No, that's not Peggy. You got too many legs for Peggy. There's Peggy. Walk. That's what Peggy says. Okay, he's hitting the bottom already. I think you guys are probably hitting bottom. What? Aren't you a pretty birdie? Oh yeah, don't be getting near him. He don't like you. He doesn't like you. Nick, that's Nick. Nick with the chunk out of his tail. Trying to get in to get some chow. Ugh. Everybody's sneezing. Antics up the hill. The roosters. Ooh, that was a good one. Look at him go. It's like they know as soon as you put a camera on them, the bozos. Oh yeah, just act natural. Fools. Foolishness. Rooster foolishness. It's springtime. Of course, they've been going at it all winter. Okay, who's hitting rock bottom? Who needs more chow? You get so afraidy. Oh, I can't get out. That's why you don't get in the bowl. We had a crazy storm today. Look out. Woo! Put it right on your head, didn't I, buddy? Sorry. Oh, you didn't like that. It was crazy. It was a crazy front that came through. It was blowing and blowing. Smitty. That ain't much of a cock-a-doodle-doo. Look at you in all your finery. What? Yeah, you're not feeling that special. There's all your pals. They're all eating. Every one of you is eating. You're not eating. So what's funny is these are Narragansett, the black and white, basically black and white ones, and those are bourbons. Okay, so there's 4 toms that are bourbons, and 1 hen Narragansett that's mature, and 1 hen bourbon that's mature. And then this is a tom Narragansett, and he's mature. But the funniest thing is that the Narragansett hen wants to hang with the bourbon toms. Yes, I'm talking about you. And then they're fighting over her, and he's out here all by himself without a date. And it's just it's funny to watch them when they start to like do their thing. They really are rather pathetic. It's like, I don't know. Look at you, aren't you pretty? Did you ever see the backside of a turkey? You won't even let me put it on them. Look at that. How's that? Isn't that a nice shot? Mm-hmm. Not as cute as chicken butts. You big fat turkey. He's getting ground. He is getting ground up. He's going to ground turkey. Someday. Soon. Oh. What are you choking? You're full of yourself tonight, aren't you, buddy? You are. Look at you walking around with your tail out and everything. Oh, y'all are so I don't know what. You guys seem to be beating a hole in the ground there. How about a pile? Can you fight nice over a pile? They're crazy. They're just crazy. Anybody getting low? I might take this up to Elvis. Oh yeah, look at that. You're almost out of it here. Get you some, Smitty. Get you some chow. What do you just wander around and check everybody's bowls or what? What? You're all full of yourselves now, huh? Crazy birds. Okay, I'm going to take the rest of this up to Elvis's ladies. Look at this dumb turkey over here. I guess he needs something. Let me give him something. Just too stupid. Hey, old girl. What's up with you? You're such a fraidy bird. You want a little chow? Here. They all think it's something different when I put it somewhere else. Like, oh, what's she putting over there? That turkey is not gonna, I think that turkey's gonna go. That one is not the smartest turkey. And hey, Otis, what's up, buddy? That is not the smartest turkey on the farm over there, behind the fence. I don't know what's up with that turkey. I didn't think he was going to make it through the last cold spell we had. We had one croak, and I'm not surprised, and one rooster. But I think he was like an Amish rooster. He was being shunned. So I don't know what was up with him. So anyway, so you look how long the shadows are. Yay! Hello, YouTube. Got the long shadows tonight, buddy. Alright, well, I'm going to finish up my little bits of chores, get the eggs, and take this up to Smitty's girls and call it a day until it's time to come out and close them up. So we finally got some sunshine. It was sunny and nice yesterday and day before on Saturday. Look, I've never seen a turkey have his tail up and eat at the same time. He's a very happy bird. So, yeah, it was nice weather. It's supposed to be 65 on Wednesday. Woohoo! Okay, that's good rainwater, isn't it? Even if it's poopy rainwater, it's good.